welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a review on this lens, not this camera body. You've already seen a review on it. Sorry, my neighbor is leaf blowing right now. You can probably hear that, but we're going to be doing a review on this lens, not this camera body. So, first, it is an 18 to 35, that is the focal length. And it doesn't have too far of a zoom, but it's a nice, starter wide angle. This is a normal kit lens. Also on the ADD, it's the 18 to 135. So there's all these different types of kit lenses that start out at 18. It's a good wide starter. Now the f-stops is 3.5 to 5.6. It is definitely by no means a good lens for bokeh or any like low light shooting unless you have a really good camera with ISO. Now let's talk about the features. So you have the stabilization on and off. So on this lens you have stabilization. You do not have two modes like on some lenses from Canon where you can have the stabilization level 1 and then level 2, and then the autofocus on and off. The autofocus is mediocre. I've only tried it out on this camera body, so I don't know. I've never tried it out on an ADD or something. There's not much, you don't have to move much to focus. See, my thumb starts right there and can't even make it up to the Canon logo. So there's really like you can do focus one-handed and zoom really easily. So yeah, other than that, I took it off. The lens is really small, as you can see there. It does have the little metal things, and so as I put it back on the as you put it back on the camera body, you see there's a little white square right there. Cover up my face, see if it focuses on that. You can see the stabilizer and the focus and then the white square. You gotta line up that white square, as I talked about in my other lens review. So that's pretty much it. Let's get into some video things. So turn it on, switch to video. Let's just do this. I'm gonna flip the screen back in a sec. So, it doesn't seem like there's a good amount of. Okay, so let's do the autofocus, and as I try to pull focus, you can see there's a little. It's moving back and forth. On professional like cinema lenses, you won't see this, but on like normal photo lenses, you will. So yeah, let's go to manual focus and see. As I zoom in, it kind of zooms in, or as I focus, it zooms in a little bit. So yeah, that is just one of the things about it. And this is 55, and let me get in focus. It is not parfocal though. And then as I zoom out, you see the camera's not exactly in focus. There you go. So yeah. So pretty much, I would say it's mostly just a kit lens. Here, let me flip back out the screen. I would not suggest buying this lens if you were gonna get a camera and you didn't buy a kit lens and you wanted to get a lens. If you really want this type of focal length, get the Tamron 17 to 50 millimeter f2.8. It has way better low light, and it's a constant aperture when you zoom in. That's the one thing about this for video. It's not very good. Alright guys, for my opinion, it's a pretty cheap lens. You can find it kind of cheap. So if you want a lens, and you really need it cheap, there you go. Good kit lens though too. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. See you guys later. Goodbye.